study hard, go to college, get a good grades, and then get a good job. Or तभी से your life will be success. Right? This is what your parents says, this is what your family says, this is what everyone around you says to you. Am I right? But क्या ये सही है? Is this gonna make you rich? चलो देखते हैं. Hypothetically मान लेते हैं कि तुम्हारा जो ड्रीम कार है that is Mercedes Benz S class and जिसका प्राइस है around 2 crore. So now मान लो that you have achieved that dream, achieved that success according to your parents, according to your family, which is you are getting around 2 lakhs rupees per month. 2 लाख हर महीने में मिल रहा है as a salary. Now what here is वो भी बहुत rare होगा क्योंकि 2 लाख बहुत rare होता है, you know it, right? Average salary is in India right now is like if you are doing a job is 30 to 40k. So चलो मान लेते you are on the top 10% that you are earning 2 lakhs rupees per month. Now how much time it will take for you to get your dream car? कितना time लगेगा to buy that dream car? Mercedes Benz S class, and the estimation is 8.5 years. वो भी you cannot spend a dime on anything else. ना तुम खा सकते हो उस पैसे से, ना तुम पी सकते हो उस पैसे से, ना तुम अपने गर्लफ्रेंड को घुमा सकते हो, ना तुम अपने बॉयफ्रेंड के लिए खर्च कर सकते हो, एंड ना तुम अपने फैमिली के लिए खर्च कर सकते हो उस पैसे से. अगर then you save all the salaries until 8.5 years, then you have that enough money to buy that Mercedes Benz S class, your dream car. Now this is fair to you. मान लेते हैं because पहले ही बोला था that 2 lakhs is very very rare. So मान लेते हैं you are someone is getting 1 lakh rupees per month. अगर 1 लाख से करोगे तो you are gonna have to wait 17 years of your life and you have to save everything you get to buy that 2 crore rupees Mercedes Benz S class. So is this really a financial freedom? Are you really rich? So now this is a stereotype thinking. So let's break it. In this video, we are going to break this stereotype thinking and ये देखते हैं कि what you have to do to get that financial freedom. So hey hustlers, I'm MEGHRAJ, and if you are new to the channel, go ahead subscribe to the channel और इस वीडियो को शेयर करो ताकि तुम्हारे दोस्त, you know, your दोस्त ये वीडियो देखे and you all get together and do what it needs to be done to break that stereotype thinking and become financially free. So if you are till now you are not financially free, or if you still think that you are broke, or if most people think that they are broke, then there are most common reasons you see. बहुत सारे common reasons होता है, and mainly इस जमाने में like you know this is a world of social media, this is a world of technology, which is a technology, right? So यही सब के लिए you have to know what is missing in your life, what you are not doing properly. So इस वीडियो में वही देखते हैं, ठीक है? So first, you are not working on yourself. बहुत सारे people खुद पे काम नहीं कर रहे, आदमी खुद पे काम ही नहीं कर रहे, इसीलिए they are not growing. So you have to work on yourself. Suppose what you need a good physics, right? So for that क्या ये फिजिक्स ऑटोमेटिकली भगवान दे देगा, हाँ तथास्तु बच अब तुम्हारे फिजिक्स अच्छा होने लगेगा? That's not true. You have to work hard for it. You have to at least make a routine जहाँ पे तुम अपने लिए 10 मिनट 15 मिनट 20 मिनट हर रोज निकालो. You see, I have a good physics and I'm very proud of it because I work hard for it every day. So you cannot miss this. So you have to work on yourself. Like the physics, you have to work on your mentality. देखो अभी क्या होता है, you may be watching reels, but for this video you are watching till now, then means you have something in you. So इस जुनून को ना reels देख के waste मत करो. If you are watching reels on business purpose, then that's fine. But still reels से ज़्यादा तुम देखो long videos, course ले लो. इसको कहते हैं work on yourself. And उसी से next point आता है invest in yourself. अरे यार इसको क्या ही बताओ, like you need to invest in yourself first. अगर you are earning any amount of money, ले लो, अगर if you have to earn money ना, you can do anything right now. चलो if you are into the city area ना, city area में जाओ, you have to move to the city area, you see a lot of opportunities. If you are good in like making whatever you good in making, like अचार बना लो, कागज का कुछ ऐसे टॉयज बना लो, whatever you make good है, like तुम कुछ सॉफ्टवेयर बना लो, उसको उस सिटी में जाके टेस्ट करो, उसको प्रोडक्ट बना के उसको फैलाओ, then you get some money. If you know how to sell it, you know how to get the money. And initial money, invest on yourself. Buy a course. कुछ ऐसे जगह पे जाओ जहाँ rich people जाते हैं. That is very important. कुछ ऐसे networks बनाओ जहाँ पे you feel like हाँ इससे you have to feel like जे यहाँ से मुझे बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलेगा. They have a lot of connections. I need to be there. So that is point number 3. Associate with the good people. Associate with the networks. And उसके लिए यहाँ पे एक क्लॉज है ना, एक क्लॉज होता है कि अगर तुम 5 भिखारियों के साथ रहोगे तो चौथा भिखारी कौन होंगे? That's you. If you are with 5 thieves, then the next thief will be you. If you are with the 5 smokers, the 6th smoker will be you. At the same way, if you are with the 5 successful people, then the 6th successful people will be you. If you are with the 5 millionaires, then the 6th millionaire will be you. So choose your circle very carefully. Right now you do not have that luxury to waste your time because you are already not rich. You are already kind of a broke. So you have to be hard on you. You know David Goggins, so he always said, be hard on yourself. Whatever you are dreaming, make it big and just follow that dream. Do whatever it takes. And then you have to spend less on other stuff. Like this is the most common problem of today's generation. They spend more than what they earn. 1 रुपए कमा रहे हैं तो 2 रुपए खर्चा करेंगे. If they are earning like 10 to 20,000 a month, उसको iPhone चाहिए होगा. If they are earning 30-40,000, उसको Scorpio चाहिए होगा, Thar चाहिए होगा. So these are nonsense of poor mindset. So mindset को सही करने के लिए then it comes, you should go some have courses, read some books, go with motivational videos, go with self-disciplinary videos, go with self-improvement videos every day, at least one video a day. That will create your mindset and that will make your life better. So next point is very very important, which is patience. अगर तुम्हारे पास patience नहीं है, then you do not know how you get result. तुम्हें result मिलेगा ही नहीं, because in this journey patience is very very important. I have crossed that part. ठीक है, when I started my own journey, when I started my business, 1 साल लग गया, 2 साल लग गया, I wasn't getting any impact, I wasn't getting any results. उस समय पे मुझे लग रहा था, मेरी टीम को लग रहा था कि let's leave everything, just leave it, छोड़ते हैं इसको, कुछ और करते हैं. But that is so wrong mindset. If I had done that, I would have regretting right now very very badly. So इसको नहीं करना. You have to stick to a thing at least for 5 years. If you are not seeing any results, at least for 5 years. But if you are seeing results, you will see results at least in next 3 to 4 years. You will start to see the result if you are doing it everything correctly. Okay, 3 to 5 years minimum you need to have that patience. And इसी से आते हैं next point. अगर तुम गलत दिशा में वो patience लेके जा रहे हो तो what will happen? You will end up in nowhere. You will end up in गड्ढा. You will end up in खाई. You will end up in dead zone. So for that you have to make sure that you are choosing the right way. And how you do this? This is when the expertise come, or this is where the experience come, and this is where I come. I came to make you know, to make you understand that you need to choose first properly. And कैसे choose करें? इसके लिए I have read a very very good book which is Ikigai. If you have read this, then comment right now that you have read this, or give a like or thumbs up. But if you are not, then उसको पढ़ना चाहिए. You have to first read that book Ikigai. अगर पूरा बुक पढ़ना ही नहीं है तो वो बुक समरी पे जाओ, YouTube में ही मिल जाएगा. Use your mobile, search book summary of Ikigai. So वहाँ पे क्या होता है, that shows you पहले you have to find your passion. ठीक है, तो तुम अपना passion ढूंढो, उससे तुम ये देखो कि कौन सा चीज़ तुम्हें करना अच्छा लगता है, and what you can do without making any money. And if people are charging you for that same thing, मतलब वो करके तुम्हें अच्छा लग रहा है, and you can do it without getting anything. ठीक है, पैसे के लिए नहीं, तुम खुद के लिए वो कर रहे हो, पैसे नहीं मिलने से भी तुम वो कर सकते हो. But then the market starts paying you, then that is the Ikigai for you. So अगर वो जोन तुम्हें मिल जाए, then you stick to that thing and you go ahead for 5 years. उसको एक product बनाओ, जैसे कि मैंने पहले बताया था, make a product out of it and उसको बाजार पे लेके जाओ, release it to the market. If you don't know how to sell, then this is going to be very hard. But still, if you, apart from that, if you don't want to make any business, if you don't want to create any business, then again there's one more option to you, that you focus on one skill. You focus on one skill that makes you the perfect, that makes you the best out of your area. So if you become the best what you do, then people will come to you. Okay, so उसके लिए you can charge higher and higher. You can charge, even if you know influencers, they charge like 5,000, 10,000, lakhs of rupees per ad. You know Dolly chai wala. Now he charges like 4 to 5 lakhs rupees per appearance. Right? So उस level पे अगर जाते हो, if you like महीने में 2-3 ad भी कर लेते हो, you get 10-20 lakhs. Right? So this is what social media, this is what technology, this is what your talent comes here in your success. So you have to learn this thing. पहले से अभी से इस वीडियो के बाद you focus on this area, you choose where you want to go, how do you want to make it, and I believe, I know hustlers, you can make it. Then subscribe to the channel, share it to your loved ones, share it to your WhatsApp channel, so that you make your circle with the quality people. Okay, so see you hustlers on another video. I am in my new office and I know hustlers, you can make it. Bye bye.